The Binance mobile app is by far one of the easiest and safest ways to buy cryptocurrencies through your phone. If you're new to crypto and want a simple way to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies, then Binance is a really good option for you. I will show you step by step how to use the Binance mobile app to buy cryptocurrencies in this beginner-friendly tutorial. I'll guide you through the two main methods available, and then you can choose the best one that suits you. And as a bonus, towards the end of this video, I will show you how to earn some passive income using your Binance account. So make sure to stick with me to the end. But for now, let's get started. From your home page, which should look something like this, we can first go to our settings by clicking here, then scrolling down, click on settings, and you can choose your base currency for your account. So if you're from a country like Australia, you can choose AUD, or Canada, CAD, or if you want to search for your currency, you can do that as well. The next important thing I want to mention about is the security settings. So you can see there are 4 methods to securing your account, and I have 2 turned on right now, but the more the better, obviously, to keep your account secure. And if you want something like a physical security key, Binance also has that, but you'll have to apply through their website. But make sure you have a minimum of 2 options turned on for your account to keep it safe. Now from the main page, I next want to show you the wallets page. This is a summary page showing you a total of all the cryptocurrencies and fiat money that you have on your Binance account. And any of your other holdings like in Binance Earn or the pool will also be shown here. And we'll get onto that part later in the video. Next, if we go over to the spot page here, you can see the overview of the actual currencies that are on this account and is filtered from the highest dollar value first. Now from this page, you can also deposit, withdraw or transfer your money from this account. And this can also be done on the overview page. For example, if you want to make a deposit, you just click on deposit here and we can either choose crypto or fiat. I will show you the 2 ways of depositing your fiat later on in this video, but right now I'll show you the crypto method. For example, in this case, if we want to deposit some Bitcoin, you just click on BTC here, or you can type it in the search box and then click on Bitcoin. Now this page with your wallet address here will show up, and it's very important to copy every single word when you want to use it. So I always suggest you click on this button to click on copy. Don't copy it any other way or type it out one by one, as you can make a mistake and your coins will be lost. Another thing you can do is to scan this barcode, which will bring up this exact address where you can transfer your code to. And you can also save this QR code image or share this address with other people. And the last thing to note, and this is very important, you need to make sure your wallet is using the right chain. For example, if you're supposed to be using the BTC SegWit wallet, then you need to click here and it will be a different wallet address. So you just need to make sure you're using the right things for the right cryptocurrency. And doing withdrawal is also very easy and similar here. So you just go back, click on withdraw from your overview page, select the crypto that you want, for this example Bitcoin, and now you just need to put in the address that you want to withdraw to, or you can scan the QR code if you have one. Now choose your network, click confirm, add in the amount that you want, and if you're happy, click on withdraw. And you'll have to do some verification before the transaction will go through. Now the next thing I want to show you is if you want to transfer from one wallet to another wallet within your own account. And that is to click on transfer, then you select the account that you want to transfer from, in this case spot. And if you want to start staking in a pool, for example, then you can click here and click on pool, select the crypto that you want, in this case Bitcoin, put in the amount and then click on transfer. And now you can see here, we scroll down and click on pool, you can see my Bitcoin value is in there. And it doesn't cost anything to transfer between your own accounts. Here's a quick question for you. What percentage of your portfolio do you plan on holding in Bitcoin and why? Let me know in the comments section below. Now let's get on to the actual step of buying your cryptocurrency, or in this case, Bitcoin. There's 2 methods of doing this. The first method is fast, but has higher fees. And the second method is slower. It will take a couple of days, but you're gonna reduce your fees massively. So for the first method, you can go and click right on this button from the home page that says credit/debit card. It will take you to this page where you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. So in this tutorial is Bitcoin. So I'm just going to click on BTC here. Now we want to select the currency that we want to sell. So in this case, I'm going to choose US dollars but you can choose other currencies like the Australian dollar or even euro. Next, you have to enter in the amount of US dollars that you want to spend. But if you don't care about how many dollars you spend, but instead you want to buy an exact amount of Bitcoin, then you can click on this button here and type in the amount of Bitcoin you want. And if you're happy with that, then click on continue. A quick reminder for you is that you won't be able to access this page unless you have already done your personal verification step. In order to purchase any cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, you'll have to pass the verification process first. There are 3 different verification levels, and depending on which country you're from, they all have different spending limits. And here's a quick look for you to see how easy it is to go through the verification method, as I've done for the first and the second level here. You only need to put in your name and address for the first verification level, and for the second level, you'll either need your ID card or passport and a picture of yourself. And once you've done that, you'll be back onto this page where you can add your credit or debit card here. Click add new card, put in your details. Now it will take you to this page where you can see the amount of dollars you're going to spend, how many Bitcoins you're going to receive, what the rate is, and what's your fee. You can see in this case, your fee is around 2%. And if you're happy with that, you can click on confirm. So if you're only buying a few $100s worth of Bitcoin, then I think go ahead with this option as it's very easy and quick. But as you can see here, the fees are quite high. It's 2% here, but it can go up as high as 3.5% if you're using a debit or credit card. So if you're buying thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin, then I recommend you choose the second option. This method will take a bit longer for your funds to arrive into Binance, but it's going to save you a lot on fees. In fact, the fees can be cut down to 0.075%. This is around 4 to 5 times less than the first method. Do you like the level of detail that I'm providing in my Binance mobile tutorial so far? If yes, make sure to let me know by liking my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on quality content that I'll be releasing every single week. So for the second method, we would click on deposit from the home page. And now we would go to fiat and select the currency you're going to deposit your money from. Now we can see it's going to cost you $0. It's free to transfer your fiat currency into Binance. Click here. Now we enter in the amount we want to deposit and click on confirm. Now this step is where you'll have to log into your actual bank account and make a transfer to Binance. So you need to copy all these details, and I recommend you click here to copy everything one by one so you don't make a mistake. And it's very important here is you must put in your reference code. Now once your funds have arrived into Binance, you're ready to go and swap it out for Bitcoin. And this next step, you'll have to click on trade and just go to convert, which is the easiest way. And now you simply choose the currency that you deposited in. If it was Australian dollars, then you would just put in AUD. But if it was USD, then they automatically convert it into Binance USD. So you would have to use BUSD for that. And now we want to convert it to Bitcoin, so we click on BTC and click on confirm. Now you need to enter in the amount of BUSD you want to sell and then click on preview conversions. And if you're happy with it, click on convert. Now that you have purchased all the cryptocurrencies that you want, it is a good and free idea to hold some crypto on Binance and earn some interest along the way. And to do this, you'll have to stake your coins. So we'll click on more, go down to the finance section and click on staking. So essentially, you can pick the coin that you've just bought and then you stake it on Binance. And they're going to give you an interest rate for holding this crypto with them. So if you're investing in a coin for the long term, then it is a good idea to earn interest by staking your coins. But do know that if you choose fixed staking like this, you have to pick a certain number of days that you want to stake your currencies for, and you won't be able to access those coins until your staking period is over. But if you want a flexible way, you can also go to DeFi staking and click on flexible lock. But if you want more information and a full guide on earning passive income through staking your cryptocurrencies and getting the best rate, then check out this video here where I run you through this step by step. So if you're ready to proceed with Binance and want to know the next step you should take, then I recommend you watch this next video here. However, if you think Binance is not the right exchange for you, then this is my #1 exchange alternative, which I recommend you check out. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.